Dear student, welcome to my next class of algebraic expressions and identities. In this video, we'll solve one question from exercise 6.1, that is question number 1. Under that, we have 6 questions. Let's see what is the question and how to solve it. Identify the terms and their coefficients for each of the following expressions. Expressions are given. We have to identify the terms and we have to write their coefficients also. Let's start. This is the first one question. It is given in the reader. Here we have to write terms and coefficient. I am writing. Two terms are given. One term is 5xyz square. This whole value is considered as one term, student. Then one more term is given, that is 3zy. Now we have to write the coefficients. Before the variable or variables, whatever number is given, that is coefficient of it. Here coefficient is 5 and here coefficient is -3. Now the second question, the terms are 1x and x square. These are the three terms given. Coefficient of 1 is 1 only, because 1 can be written as 1 into 1 student. What is the coefficient of x? Keep in mind, if number is not given before it, we can write it as 1 into x. So the coefficient of x is 1. Here also number is not mentioned, so we can write it as 1 into x square. Again it will be x square, so coefficient of x square is 1. Or simply keep in mind, if coefficient is not given, then the coefficient is 1. So for this x and x square, coefficient is 1. Suppose if it is minus x student, then coefficient will be -1. Minus x square, coefficient will be -1. Now the third question, the terms are 4x square y square. First term. Second term is 4x square y square z square, and third term is z square. The coefficient of first one is 4, the coefficient of second one is -4, and the coefficient of third one is 1. Coefficient of z square is 1. As I said, for this one, if coefficient is not mentioned, then coefficient of that variable is 1. Now let's move to fourth one question. First we have to write the terms. 3. Total 4 terms are -pq. Third term qr and fourth term -rp. Here coefficient of 3 is 1 student, as I said in this question. If coefficient before the constant, you can write it as 1 into 1. This can be written as 1 into 3. Again you will get 3 only. Coefficient of pq is -1. The coefficient is not mentioned, means it will be 1. Coefficient of qr is 1. Coefficient of rp is -1. Now the fifth one question is student. 3 terms are there. First term is x by 2. Second term is y by 2. And third term is -xy. Here coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Keep in mind, this can be written as 1 by 2 into x. X by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 into x. 1 into x is again x divided by 2. So the coefficient of x here is 1 by 2. Coefficient of y here is 1 by 2. Here coefficient is minus 1. If coefficient is not mentioned, then it is 1. If it is plus, plus 1. If it is minus, then minus 1. Then the last question is 6th one. There are 3 terms. First one is 0.3a. Second one is minus 0.6ab. And third one is plus 0.5b. Here coefficient of a is 0.3, coefficient of AB is minus 0.6, and coefficient of B is 0.5. This is how we have to solve this question. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. Thank you for watching my video.